let's go to tax valuation. Another big caution of what I found with tax evaluations, every taxing authority is going to value those differently. Very, very seldom do you see the tax value equal to the market value, which is if you put the house on the market right now, what would most buyers say it's worth and want to pay for it? Your tax is usually going to be a lower amount, but sometimes in markets where values have gone up and up and up and up, and the county only, let's say they regulate the taxes or they assess the tax values every 1 to 2 years, they might not have adjusted for that dip if it starts going down. It's very hard. It's very hard to look at a tax value and say, oh, that's what the property's worth. I can give you one really quick example. There were properties, a few years ago, I was looking to sell a couple of fixer-uppers in Indiana, and the tax value said that they were right around 80 to 120,000, and on the market, they were only selling for about 50,000. So if I had tried to base my after repair value based on the tax evaluation, I would have had huge losses in the property. But luckily, I knew that little trick, and you guys should always remember that. There are some cities, some areas where the tax valuations are really far off like that. They can be double the amount. Usually, they're going to run about 10 to 20% off. That's more normal and average. But you still want to just check for trends. If you're in a neighborhood and you see, well, these 3 properties were taxed at around, their valuation's about 100,000 a piece, but then these other ones that are similar to them sold for 70,000, and these are still unknown, they're not even on the market for sale. You really want to go with the ones that have actually sold, not the ones that are up for sale and haven't sold yet, because you don't know where they're going to end up when all is said and done, and not with the tax valuations. That's just far too risky.